Hi everybody, Samantha Shriver, Independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, coming to you guys today with a quick video. I just wanted to show you the new Stampin' Up! Stamp sets and bundles that I got, along with all 16 of the new and returning colors that Stampin' Up! Has come out with their new 2023 to 2024 catalog. There's some beautiful new colors that I want to show you guys, and I hope you enjoy. I also wanted to show you these new stamp sets and bundles that I got. So we have the Crafting with You. I love this. This is any crafter is going to love this set. Look at the little Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And there's a sewing machine. I have some women in my life who love sewing, so I get to make some fun cards with that. Then you have the paintbrushes and the easel, and I actually have some painters in my family as well. And then the yarn in the basket. This is just really cute. So this is a photopolymer stamp set. And then the die set, I want to show you guys. Love this die set. Oops, if I can open it. So it cuts out the easel, and then you have little spools for your thread and some buttons. It cuts out the images that are in here. The sewing machine, it has a little ruler, an embroidery stitch hoop. These are your spools, and then this is your thread, so you layer these on top of these. And then these scissors you can cut out, and then you can even put them together with a little brad. And then this is our paper trimmer, the Stampin' Up! Paper trimmer. So I absolutely love that. I can't wait to make some cards with this. The next one, I didn't get the bundle, but I did get the stamp set just because I absolutely love sentiments. So I got the Timeless Arrangements. This is a photopolymer stamp set as well. You could always use a good sentiment set. And then let me show you this one after. So the Wonderful Thoughts is another great sentiment set as we're talking about those. This is a photopolymer stamp set as well. And what I love about this, which I love about the Charming Sentiments stamp set bundle, is that this cuts out all of your sentiments as well. So I absolutely love that Stampin' Up! Has been coming out with those sets where they have the dies that cut out the sentiments, so you don't have to fussy cut, because I hate fussy cutting. Some people love it. I definitely do not. And then lastly, the Irresistible Blooms bundle. This is one of our online specials that you can get. I said I wasn't going to get any more floral stamp sets, but then I was on Pinterest and I saw everything that everyone made with this, and I absolutely loved it, so I had to get it. So once again, one of the online exclusives. It's while supplies last. This is a red rubber stamp set. The dies are a lot of fun. So it cuts out your flowers, and then it also has this cut out and then this circle cut out. And they have these frosted dots that you can adhere to all these dots. When I purchased this, they were on back order, but since then they're back in stock, so I did purchase those. I'm just waiting on those to come. And then this is the matching Irresistible 6x6 Designer Series paper. So I just wanted to show you guys this as well. I'm just going to open this quick and we can go through it. I love new Designer Series paper. And this has some of the new colors in it as well. It has the Lost Lagoon and Pretty Peacock in it, which are new colors. So let's see. So you have 4 of each. Let me just move this out of the way. So we have this design. And I like the backs too. They're very pretty. This in the back. This, which is kind of like that die that comes in the set in the back. Oh, I missed one. Okay, so here's the back of that one. And then we have this in the back. Sorry guys, I keep flipping an extra one over. This in the back. And these actually cut out with the dies. We have this one, which probably cuts out with the dies as well. And then the back. See, what do I keep? Sorry, I feel bad. I keep flipping an extra one over the back of that. So this one in the back of that. Let's see if I can just get 4 this time. This, which I think is beautiful. And then the back. And then we have this one in the back. This, which is beautiful, in the back of that. And I love the colors in this. And this you can cut out with the die set as well. And there's the back. And then we have this in the back. And then lastly, we have this in the back. So I really love this paper. And I just wanted to share that with you guys as well. Hi everyone, I wanted to show you all of the new colors that we have. So the first color is Moody Mauve. You guys can see that. I don't know how much of a glare there is. So for all of the colors, I got the paper, the ink pads, the refill, and the blends. So Moody Mauve is our first color. The second color, which I really love, is Berry Burst. This is a very pretty bright color. I really can see myself using this color a lot. Then Bubble Bath, which is a very pretty light pink color. Then we have Lemon Lolly, which is a very pretty light yellow. I could definitely see myself using this one a lot as well. Then we have Pretty Peacock, which is a returning color. This is like a dark turquoisey color. It's really pretty. And it actually goes really well with the next color that I'm going to show you. So there's Pretty Peacock. The next color, which I think goes really well with Pretty Peacock, is Lost Lagoon. I really wanted Just Jade back. This kind of reminds me of Just Jade in a way, but not completely, but I definitely love this color. So I wanted to show you that. And then I want to show you that with the Pretty Peacock, because those just go really well together. Then we have Lemon Lime Twist, which I think is a really great, fun, just bright color. It's going to be great to use for leaves and flowers. Just a bright, cheery color. Then we have, and I think Lost Lagoon was a returning color as well. I didn't say that. We have Blueberry Bushel, which is a returning color as well. This is just a really nice darker blue. This will maybe, I'll use this where I would have used the Pacific Point. And then my favorite, I'm so happy this returned, Misty Moonlight. I love Misty Moonlight. This was one of the colors that I used all the time, and I was very excited when they brought it back. This is just a really nice light blue color. It's maybe like a medium, I guess it's a medium blue, but the shade is so pretty. I absolutely love it. I was very excited they were coming back with that. It was a previous in color. And then we have Azure Afternoon. This one I really like. This is a very bright blue. well, a brighter blue. So I definitely can see myself using this a lot, especially with seaside cards, and it's very pretty. So that's one of our new colors as well. Then we have Boho Blue. I'm loving this. I guess it kind of reminds me a tiny bit of Seaside Spray, but not completely. A lot of you may already know this color. They came out with a mini Stampin' Cup machine in it. But I can definitely see myself using that for seaside cards as well. And then definitely for birds. I think that'll be a great bird color. And then we have our Fresh Freesia, which is returning. I was just using this to make cards the other day. So my pack of paper is open. This is just a very pretty purplish, pinkish purple color. And I've used this a lot. This was a returning in color. I used that a lot when it wasn't in color. Then we have our Copper Clay. I think this is definitely going to be used a lot. You could always use a good brown color. And this is like a coppery brown. So I really like that. And then this next color, I love this Pecan Pie. I think this is going to be replacing where I use soft suede a lot. Since soft suede is gone, unfortunately, I was very sad about that. I think this Pecan Pie is going to be used a lot in place of that. And this color is going to be great for that monkey set. Then we have Wild Wheat. And honestly, the jury is kind of out on this one. I'm not too sure how I feel about it. It's a brownish gold brown type color. So maybe with fall cards, I'll use it more. But right now I'm not too sure. I got to find a place and use for it. Once I do, maybe I'll like it more. And then this last color I absolutely love. So this is Pebbled Path. And this I'll definitely see myself using a lot. It's a nice deeper gray. So this is one of my favorite new colors. So those are all the 16 new and returning colors I just wanted to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing them. Thank you so much for watching. If you don't mind liking this video and subscribing to my channel, I'll let you know when my next videos are being posted. And I hope you have a great rest of your day.